Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to connect to Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy A02. There are two ways. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. And okay guys, you'll have to do is slide from top to bottom. And okay guys, here you can see the Wi-Fi. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the Wi-Fi to connect to Wi-Fi connection. And okay guys, the pop-up below are show, and okay, you'll have to do select the Wi-Fi network connection. And after that, okay, enter the password. And okay guys, after you enter the password, okay, you'll have to do is tap the connect button. And okay guys, we have successfully connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, you can see the Wi-Fi logo on the status bar. And okay guys, slide down again, and also the Wi-Fi icon is color blue. And okay guys, that's it for the first process to connect to Wi-Fi. And okay guys, the second one is, okay, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, here in settings, go to connections. And okay guys, here in connection, you can see the Wi-Fi. You can turn on the switch button on the right side to enable the Wi-Fi connection. And okay guys, the Wi-Fi is on, and you'll have to do is tap the Wi-Fi to select the Wi-Fi network connection. And okay guys, so I connect on SBG Wi-Fi network. Okay, tap the network you want to connect your mobile phone. After you select the Wi-Fi connection, enter the password. And okay guys, after you enter the password, okay, you'll have to do is tap the connect button. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully connected to Wi-Fi network, and you can see the Wi-Fi icon on the status bar. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully connect the Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy A02 and two ways. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.